Hi, it's a car FIX Sevt AUTO. If you have a rounded bolt or nuts and you're struggling with it, that's a very useful tool for extractor, tool extractor for removing that kind of bolts. Just take it and put it on the rounded bolt or rounded nut, and it has special teeth that simply that's just when you're on tightening, when you're losing the bolt, they just go into the rounded bolt and just remove it. It's a very useful set. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.